This is the In10, a new gaming mouse by Inphic. Let's unbox it and take a closer look at this new mouse. If you're interested in seeing more videos like this, make sure you subscribe and click on the notification bell so you'll be notified once I upload a new video. The In10 is a wireless gaming mouse which is equipped with a KP950B gaming chip and PAW3395 sensor for precision tracking and fast response. So inside the box there's a USB-A to USB-C cable, both for charging as well as a wired connection if you wish, an extension dongle which can be connected via the USB cable to extend the wireless range, and the mouse itself. This mouse comes in black or white colors and has a nice sleek design with both a matte and glossy finish. Underneath you have the Bluetooth and wireless switch, as well as a button to change the DPI settings and initiate pairing mode. The wireless receiver is also located in a built-in compartment underneath the mouse. This makes it more organized for travel if you plan on taking your mouse with you. The wireless receiver can either be connected to the extension dongle, or it can be connected directly to a USB port on your computer. There are also adhesive grip tapes provided, which can be adhered to the mouse to give you a better grip without any slip. This can be handy for people who get sweaty palms or hands during gameplay. The buttons use micro switches which have a 100 million click lifespan. It has an adjustable polling rate from 125 to 8000 and supports 2.4 GHz wireless, Bluetooth, as well as a wired connection. The RGB lighting is also customizable. The mouse has good tactile feedback and doesn't feel cheap. The scroll wheel is nice and smooth as well. However, it doesn't have an infinity scroll feature which at times can come in handy for scrolling through long documents or web pages with one flick of the scroll wheel. The overall responsiveness of this mouse is great and very precise. It works well for casual use on the computer, for working, and is great during gameplay as well. Many games require precise clicks and selections, so you really want a mouse that not only tracks well, but is fast and precise on clicks. One wrong click or selection can cost you the game, and this mouse will definitely limit or eliminate occurrences where you clicked somewhere, however it wasn't registered or detected. Again, when it comes to the lighting on this mouse, it can be customized to your liking. The range on the mouse even without using the extender is good, and I had no issues with detection or any lag. Battery life is good as well, and with the 400 mAh battery and intelligent sleep mode, the mouse won't waste any battery when it's not in use to ensure you don't have to charge it frequently. One more thing to note, this mouse is lightweight and won't put any strain on your hands. And that's another reason it's good for travel, since it won't really add any weight to your cargo, nor be annoying to carry in a backpack or pocket. It's currently listed at $59.99 US on their website, and I think that's a great price for this mouse. For the features which it has, and the additional grip tape and extension dongle accessory, it's very well priced in my opinion. I'll place links for the Inphic In10 3395 wireless gaming mouse in the description, and I'll see you in the next one.